Hey there, Progreda users. Welcome to another quick and informative tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about an important task that keeps your scheduling running smoothly: how to check your Google Calendar connection with Progreda. So, why is this important? So, ensures that your appointment and bookings are synced, helps avoid scheduling conflicts, confirms that everything is working perfectly between your Google Calendar and Progreda. Let's dive in. So, here to check if your Google Calendar and Progreda are properly synced, we'll run a simple test. So, first, you will have to make sure your Google Calendar is already connected to Progreda. So, if you need help setting it up, check out some of our previous tutorials on how to connect your Google Calendar with Progreda. So, once you connected, let's create a test schedule in your Google Calendar. So let's say you have already connected your Google Calendar. Let just try to create a schedule in Google Calendar and test it out. All right. So open your Google Calendar and create a busy schedule. So let me share my screen here real quick. Let's say I have my Google Calendar here. And there, you just have to create like a busy schedule or anything you want just to test it out. Okay. So that's going to be inside your account, your Google Calendar. All right. And yes, that's how you should test it out. So make sure you save the event and it will serve as like a busy time to see if Progreda picks up on the conflict. So here, let's switch to Progreda and check our calendar. So since we have already connected Google Calendar, let's say, to the Progreda account, it should automatically check for conflicts. All right. So here, let's just say you just need to go to your calendar in Progreda, navigate to the group calendar or the specific user calendar linked to your Google Calendar. So just check the schedule, verifying the conflict. So let's say if you see Progreda is showing availability only for time slots outside of busy schedule, right? So for example, if my work hours on October, let's say October 22nd are 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., Progreda will display availability only for 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. because I'm marked as busy in Google Calendar from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So that confirms that Progreda is successfully checking for conflicts and syncing with Google Calendar. So to double check, refresh the Progreda calendar to see any changes in real time. So if the conflict still shows accurately, then your Google Calendar is successfully synced with Progreda. And that's how easy it is to check your Google Calendar connection with Progreda. By following these steps, you can make sure that your schedules stay conflict free and your workflow remains smooth. Sounds good, right? So, just a quick recap: create a test schedule in Google Calendar, open Progreda's calendar, and check for conflicts. Refresh to confirm the sync. If everything aligns, your calendar are perfectly connected. So that's it. That's how easy you can check and test it out. So thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering Progreda. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments or reach out for support. Until next time, happy scheduling with Progreda. Bye for now.